Hello, friends. My name is Akriti Nag. I'm going to read chapter number 1, General Pharmacology. My topic is drug interactions. Drug interactions. When two or more drugs are given simultaneously, the effects of one drug may be altered by another drug. Drug interactions can occur in vitro, outside the body, or in vivo, inside the body. Drug interactions can result in either beneficial or harmful effects. Pharmaceutical interactions. These can occur as a result of incompatibility, physical or chemical, of a drug with an intravenous solution, or when two or more drugs are mixed in the same syringe or IV infusion. This may result in precipitation or inactivation of one or more drugs. Phenytoin should not be administered in dextrose solution as it gets precipitated. Dextrose solution is not suitable for IV infusion of ampicillin as it is unstable at acidic pH of dextrose. Gentamicin and carbapenicillin should not be given in the same infusion as it may result in loss of potency. Pharmacokinetic interactions. These occur when one drug alters the absorption, distribution, metabolism, or excretion of another drug. Absorption. Antacids containing aluminium, magnesium, and calcium, iron, etc., interfere with the absorption of tetracyclines by forming unabsorbable complexes with it. Some drugs affect absorption of other drugs by altering gastrointestinal motility. Metoclopramide increases the rate of gastric emptying and promotes absorption of aspirin. Distribution. Plasma protein binding can cause displacement interactions. More than one drug can bind to the same site on plasma protein. The drug with higher affinity will displace the one with lower affinity. This results in increase in concentration of unbound drug, example salicylates displace warfarin from binding sites, resulting in increased free warfarin levels and enhanced anticoagulant effect. Metabolism. This occurs when metabolism of one drug is increased, enzyme induction or decreased, enzyme inhibition by another drug. Example, carbamazepine induces the metabolizing enzyme of warfarin, thus enhancing its metabolism and leading to decreased anticoagulant effect. Erythromycin inhibits the metabolizing enzyme of carbamazepine and may increase its toxicity. Excretion. Most of them occur in the kidneys. Salicylates interfere with the excretion of methotrexate and potentiate its toxicity. Probenecid decreases renal tubular secretion of penicillins and prolongs duration of action of penicillins. Beneficial interactions. Pharmacodynamic interactions. The interaction is due to action of drugs on receptors or physiological system. This may result in either additive, synergistic, or antagonistic effects. The interaction may result in harmful effects, example enhanced nephrotoxicity seen with the concurrent use of aminoglycosides and amphotericin B. It may also result in beneficial effect, example levodopa and carbidopa in Parkinsonism. Thank you.